In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a drop-down list in Google Sheets. To do this, after successfully accessing your Google Sheets, let's say for this video, the scenario is we're going to categorize the specific task onto its corresponding status. So to do that, we will be creating a drop-down list with different options such as to do, in progress, pending review, and completed. So to do this, simply select and drag the cells that you would like to add the drop-down list. So let's say, for example, these are the cells that we're going to use. After selecting and dragging, simply right-click on your cursor. And in here on the options, simply navigate to drop-down. In here, this will show a slide-up form that will ask you to input the values for your drop-down list. Simply input the values. So we will have in here to do, in progress, pending review, and completed. You can also select your colors in here. Then once done, simply click Done. And now you have successfully added a drop-down list. When you click on a specific cell drop-down, as you can see, you can either choose anything on the 4 categories to sort them in their corresponding status. And that's about it. That's how to create a drop-down list in Google Sheets. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below and I'll do my best to help you out.